Good morning all of you. In the previous class we have discussed linear inequalities. We have solved some inequalities and the question based on linear inequality, some word problem, and now today we will discuss how to draw the graph of linear inequality. Okay. So first we will take one question and solve it. Means we will draw the graph of this question, this inequality. 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 12. So we have to draw the graph of this inequality. So first what we will do? First we will consider this inequality in the inequality. We consider 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay. Now we will draw the graph of this equality. First we will draw the graph of this this equality. This is our x-axis. This is y-axis. X dash, y dash, intersection point, origin. Okay. Now take some point on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take some point on the graph that this is x and y. Put the value of x is 0, and then y is what? 3. If taking y is 0, then x is what? 4. Take another point, x is 2. What we are getting? 6. Take just these 2 points and we will draw the graph. Okay. Now our point is 0, 3. So 0, 3 will be lie here. 0 and 3. 4, 0. 4, 0 is lie here. So we can draw the line joining these 2 points. We get the line. Okay. This is point A, this is point B. Now what we will check? The origin of this graph. Where is the origin? So for checking the origin, we will take x is equal to 0. Now take the inequality. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. We are getting 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 12. So this is what? This satisfies the inequality. So we can write this satisfies the inequality. So origin will lie inside the line. So origin will lie inside the line, that is inside this. So the shaded region, this is the first region and second region. So first region, first shaded region will be the solution of 3x plus 4y is less than 12. Okay, first what we will do, we will convert this inequality into the equality. After this we will draw the graph of this equality. We will take some point x is equal to 0, y 3, y is equal to 0, x 4. Now we draw the graph, so it is line AB. Now we will check about the origin, where the origin where it will be lying. So we will put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the equation of inequality. What we get? 0 is less than 12. So what we are seeing? We are seeing that the origin satisfies the inequality. So this is satisfied inequality. So the origin will lie inside the region. Okay. So this is our first region. This is second region. So this sided region will be the solution of the given inequality. Okay. Now we will see the next question in the same way. Next question. Question number 6. 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. Now what we will do? We will first convert this inequality into the equality. Okay. Now we consider this 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay. Now the other graph of this equality. Again take point x, y. X is 0. Then y is minus 2. If y is 0, then x is 3. Okay. Now draw the graph. Okay. This is x, y, x dash, y dash. Take the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. And this is the point of intersection of the axis. That is our origin. So we have to given 0 and minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 will lie at y-axis in the below side. So this is our 0 and minus 2 and 3 zeros. And this is 3 0. Now join these 2 points. We draw the graph. So this is our region of this is the graph of the given equation. Okay. Now we will check about the origin. So let the inequality 2x take is greater than 6. So let put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. The whole quantity is greater than 0. So this is not satisfying the inequality. So 0 cannot be greater than 6. Okay, so that this is not satisfied inequality. So, 0 origin will not lie inside. Okay, so this reason. So this reason will be solution of the inequality, which is so solution of the inequality is below the line below the line AB. The inequality is below the line AB. Okay? Any doubt in this question? What we have done? The same procedure. We consider the inequality into the equality and take the points and draw the graph of this line. After drawing the graph, we are checking the origin. So take again the inequality. We are putting x and y 0. Getting the origin is not, the inequality is not satisfied. So we are getting origin will not lie inside. It is outside the line, means below the line. So our solution will be what? Below the line AB. The solution will of inequality 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. Okay. Now next question. Question number 9. We have to given y is less than minus 2. We have to draw the graph of the inequality y is less than minus 2. So what we will do? First, we consider again y is equal to minus 2. Now this is x, y, x dash, y dash, and this is 0. So this is y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 where? It will be here. Okay. What? Y is equal to minus 2 is the line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. Parallel to x-axis, and this is at y-axis and in the negative sign. So it will be here minus 2 is this, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So line parallel to this x-axis, so we can draw the line y is equal to minus 2. This is the line which is y is equal to minus 2 and parallel to the x-axis. Now we have to find the origin. That y is equal to minus 2, put y is equal to 0. You get 0 is less than minus 2. This is 2 or true? No. 0 cannot be less than minus 2. Okay. So, not satisfied the inequality. Not satisfy the inequality again. So the origin will not lie in the region first. This is first, second. So first, so solution is below the line y is equal to -2. That is this. This is the solution. Okay? Any doubt? Next question. X is greater than -3. Okay, first we consider x is equal to -3. Now draw the graph. We get okay. Now consider x is equal to -3. So x is equal to -3 is this side, and this will be parallel to y-axis. So our graph will be the straight line parallel to y-axis. ठीक है? Okay. Now we will check the origin. Take x is greater than -3. Put x is equal to 0. So 0 is greater than -3, which is true. So it satisfies the inequality. So origin is lying inside the line x is equal to -2. So solution will be the shaded region. Okay. So solution will be what? This shaded region. Okay. Now we will see some questions in which these are the questions based on single inequalities. Now we will see some questions which is based on the 1, 2, 3 types of inequality. Means the inequality, number of inequality will be more than 1. Then how we draw the solution? How we get the solution? Okay? Now next question. Exercise 6.3. Question number first. X is greater than 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2. We have to draw the graph of this inequality. So first, take x is greater than 3. Now consider x is equal to 3. Draw the graph. This is x. This is y, sorry, x dash, y dash. Okay. Now x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is 1, 2, 3. Or x is equal to 3 is what? Here. This is x is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3 will be parallel to the y-axis. So our line x is equal to 3 will be this. Okay. Now we will check the origin. Take x is greater than or equal to 3. Put x is 0. 0 greater than 3. Not satisfied. Not satisfied. So origin is not inside the line axis equal to 3. So it will be outside. So this will be our solution. Okay. Now draw the second inequality. Draw the second inequality. What is this? Y is greater than or equal to 2. So y is greater than or equal to 2. We consider the line y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 is this here. Okay, which is parallel to x-axis. So draw the line from here to here. Okay, parallel to x-axis. Now check the origin. Take the inequality y is greater than or equal to 2. Put y is 0. 0 is greater than 2. Again, not satisfying. So again not satisfied. So origin will be not lying inside the line. So it will be above the line. This. Okay. It will be above the line. So solution will be what? This is the solution region. So this is our solution region. Okay, that portion is our solution region. This is point A, B, C. Okay, now the solution of the x is greater than 3 and y is greater than 2 is what? Is the graph common to the horizontal line and vertical line? Is the graph common to the horizontal line and vertical line, that is BAC. Okay, that portion is our solution region. Okay, in this way we can draw the graph of two equations, either two inequalities, and the common portion of the both inequality will be the solution of the inequality. Okay, now let's see another question. Question number 2. Three x plus 2y less than equal to 12. X is greater than equal to 1. Y is greater than equal to 2. Now first, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Take 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now x, y, put x 0, y is 6, y is 0, x is 4. Draw the graph. Okay. So 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, x, x dash, y, y dash, 0. Now 0, 6 is this and 4, 0. Now the line, this is the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now origin check. 0 plus 0 is less than 12. Satisfied. So origin is inside the line. So this will be our solution region. Okay. Now check another. X is greater than equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 1, which is parallel to y axis. Draw the line. Now check origin. So not satisfied. So it is outside this. Okay. Now take y is greater than 2. Y is equal to 2, which is parallel to x axis. 1, 2. So this is the line parallel to x axis. Put y is equal to 0. So greater than 2, not satisfied. Again, so it is above this region, means the solution is, this is the triangle ABC. This ABC is the solution region of these three inequalities. Okay, in this way we can draw the graph of more than one inequality and we will get the common region, and the common region will be our solution. Here triangle ABC is the common region, which is our solution of these three inequalities. Okay, thank you.